Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Here we come again with the new and latest design and homemade craft, especially for upcoming Christmas event. You must like this video, so please must watch till the end. If you like, so please must subscribe our channel and share with your friends and family and post your comments. Thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye. Today we are diving into a cozy and festival project, making Christmas decoration using soft felt fabric and natural jute twins, felt drum and colorful white jute give a rustic from a style charm. Together they makes beautiful handmade ornaments for your Christmas tree, gifts, wrapping or holiday home decor. Here is some things you will need. Material, what you actually need: felt fabric in festive color like red, green, white and gold, jutons or jute fabrics, scissor and hot glue guns or needle and thread, cotton or polyester stuffing for felt ornaments, optional extra buttons, beads, sequins, lace and ribbons. Have your supplies ready. Make the processor smooth and fun. So guys, you must like this video, so please must watch till the end. Let's start with a classic charms tree ornaments from felt. Cut out two identical tree shapes, stitching them together and add some stuffing for fluffy effects. Decorate with beads or sequins as little ornament. Finally attach a ribbon loop so it can hang beautifully on your tree. Next, cut two star shapes from yellow or gold felt. Stitch them, fill slightly with stuffing and close neatly, and glitter on shiny beads to make it sparkle. The star work great as a tree ornaments or even a topper for gift wrapping. Next, Santa hat. Now let's make a cute Santa hat. Roll a red felt triangle into a cone, stitch the edges and add a white felt strip at the bottom. Attach a little pom-pom at the tip and your mini Santa hat is ready. Color combination is up to you. Next, jute craft ornaments. Time to switch thing up with rustic jute. Take a small balloon and wrap jute twins around in the random crisscross layer. Brush with a mixture of white glue and water. Then let it dry completely. When hardened, pop the balloon and remove it. You will have a beautiful hollow jute ball ornaments. You can decorate it with lace, teeny pine cones or glitter spray. The rustic jute ornaments pair beautiful with felt one, creating a perfect mix or cozy and natural Christmas decoration. You have mastered these basics, you can try other design like jute wrap, stars, mini stockings from felt, or even gingerbread man. Mix and match felt and jute for a creative handmade collection. And these you have it festive Christmas craft using both soft felt fabric and rustic jute. Handmade ornaments that bring warmth, charm, and personality to your holiday season. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY projects. And must tell me in the comments which one you will try first, the felt tree, the jute balls, or the Santa hat. If you wanna watch